So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, because I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a clothing haul and try on from the brand Shein. So I bought all of these clothes with my own money, combined with the help of my Patreon family. So thank you guys so much for your continued support. This transformation in its full glory is also up on Patreon right now, which I will link down below. And let's check out what clothes I got, shall we? So the first thing I picked up is this floor-length kind of tassel-y fringy black gown. I'm not normally one to wear a full-on like floor-length gown all that often. However, I do have a look in mind for what I want to like wear this for, and just this like sparkly fringiness just like sold me on it, and I was all about it. So hopefully it fits and hopefully it looks cute, since I need some class up in this wardrobe every now and then, girl. Like, So the next thing I picked up is this little bra and pants set, which is like a floral kind of pink and white like daisy print, and it's hella see-through. I didn't realize it would literally just be like a see-through lace mesh kind of moment, so maybe a Patreon only kind of look, but I just thought it was kind of cute. It was on sale, so that's why I bought it. But for a certain look, a certain occasion, this could be cute, and I actually really quite like the floral prints and stuff recently, so picked that up. So the next thing I picked up is this black deep plunging bra slash bralette for an occasion such as this, since my boobs are not 3D at all. I literally just draw on kind of the cleavage area, so I figured something like this would be perfect just to kind of sit underneath any garment that's more deep plunging, just to add a little bit more like 3D and some to the girls. So always going to come in handy even if I wear it just by itself. I thought it was an essential piece. The next thing I picked up is this periwinkle blue dress with like lacy kind of floral sleeves on it. I am so into floral stuff right now, and I just thought it was something a little bit different, a colour that I don't normally like reach for or wear all that often, and I just thought the sleeves were like absolutely adorable, and again, it's something different that I don't normally wear, and it was all really inexpensive on Shein, so I figured why the fuck not. The next thing I picked up is this really cute like little Neon City print bralette. I did also pick up a bodysuit, which I wore in a video up on my Patreon, and I just thought it was like a cute print, something a little bit different, and yeah, I just thought it was cute and inexpensive, so needed it, girl. The next dress I picked up is this super stunning deep green like floral high neck dress. I just think this will be so cute if I like really snatch in my waist and like really pad out my hips to give like some body, and I just think it'll suit like a really deep green like grungier smoky eye. So yeah, I saw this on the website and literally had to have it. It is in a little bit more like satiny kind of material, so it might not be too flattering on, but I just thought it was super cute, and again, I can envision a look for this already, so I needed it. So I bought quite a lot of floral stuff in this haul, since I literally just scrolled through the website and that seemed to be what appealed to me. So the next thing I picked up is this kind of like multicolored high neck, again like the last dress kind of floral print number. Again, I think this will look really cute if I like really pad and cinch my body to give it some shape, and again, I'm quite liking some stuff like mixed in that's higher neck. Like, I know I like to show my girls off, but it's nice to also mix in a little bit of high neck stuff, and then I don't have to shave my chest either, girl. So this next dress I bought literally looks like a pair of curtains. It's this white dress with like pink and blue accented flowers all over it, and I thought it was kind of cute on the website. In person, the material feels like very curtainy, but you never know, it could look cute on, so I picked this up. So the next things I picked up don't actually match, but they were close enough that I've already worn them in a video up on my Patreon. It's this super cute like navy blue and white striped kind of bralette, as well as like a non-matching but matching skirt to it, and yeah, I've already worn it in a video up on my Patreon. I think it's super cute, and I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this skirt. The top maybe not so much, since it was pretty ill-fitting, but yeah, I bought these to go together, and I've already worn them in a video on my Patreon. And now we're back to florals. This next dress I picked up is this like 1960s kind of rockabilly floral dress. I definitely need to pick up a hoop skirt or like something to kind of push out the lower part to kind of make it look like that style it was on the website. But I just thought it was cute, it was floral, and it was pink, so I had to have it, girl. The next thing I picked up is this white ribbed top. I thought it was super cute since it has like a cutout in like the chest region and a high neckline, meaning that I can wear my breastplate with it and the girls will be on show and it'll kind of like disguise the top part of my breastplate. So yeah, you're definitely going to see this in a upcoming look. I thought it was kind of cute, something a little bit like wintry and festive, and lets me show off the girls in their full glory. So yeah, I thought this was cute and you're definitely going to see it soon. The next dress I picked up is this blue satin mini dress, and she looks very short, so I might have to wear like something under her just so YouTube doesn't demonetize me. But I just thought it was cute. Again, I'm really into florals, so I felt like I needed it and it caught my eye. The next dress I picked up is this green like floral daisy print number with little spaghetti straps. These generally aren't my favorite thing to wear since I feel like it makes my shoulders look broader and more masculine, which isn't really my vibe when I'm trying to become a full-fledged drag queen. But I just thought it was something cute. It was pretty inexpensive and I think it'll look cute if I'm like really padded and cinched and like make it a little sexy number. So yeah, I picked up this little green floral dress. So just like the blue dress, I did also pick it up in green since, again, I was just so drawn to the sleeves and just thought they looked super cute. So yeah, I've also got a green one of the exact same dress since I needed it. Girl. What's also nice is that they come with like a little like obi sash belt, which I think is super cute and will definitely help me cinch in this up and down boy bod. So this next piece I picked up is going to be a sneak peek of a Patreon look that's going to be going up in December. But it's this super adorable like red and white negligee moment, and it just really reminded me of like Christmas and festive, but in like a slutty sexy way. So this look is definitely going to be up on my Patreon in December, and I just thought it was super cute and slutty sexy, so needed it, girl. Also comes with a matching thong, which will not cover shit, so that can go, but this can stay. The next dress I picked up is this super cute kind of gold metallic number. I have already worn this on my channel for a 2-in-1 wig review, but I just thought it was adorable. It fits nicely and it has that like really nice like slit up between your legs, so makes you look super skimpy and slutty, which very much my drag style, girl. The next dress I picked up is this pink fringy kind of mini dress. I am so into fringe since it just adds that little bit of like shimmy shimmy like drag extra moment, and baby pink is so like my drag color, so I needed this. I also did pick it up in red for something a little bit more like sexy and raunchy and powerful, but again, fringe just adds that like fun drag element, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear these. I can't wait to wear these, and I already have looks planned for both of these numbers. Wait and see. So the next thing I picked up is another one of that like neon city print dress. However, one of the straps is already like not attached to the dress like at all, so I'm gonna have to go in and like stitch it or staple it on. I think it was only like £6. However, it is kind of annoying when you buy a garment and it's already broken. That is one thing I've noticed from Shein, is that the quality is generally quite low. I know the price tag is also pretty low, so you can't really complain, but it is kind of annoying when a dress arrives like already broken before you've even touched it to your body. But yeah, this is the next thing I picked up, and again, I just thought the print was something fun and a little bit different for me. And then the final clothing piece I picked up is this white floral swimsuit. I'm really into like swimsuits and stuff recently since it allows you to like show body and legs and everything, but it's like covered enough that I can still pad and wear tights and like all the stuff I need to do to create illusion. One thing that I do like about this is that the breast kind of padded area is actually padded. It does have inserts in it, which is nice since you know, there's nothing going on here on like the 3D form. So this is quite nice that it comes with some inserts. I do think the plunge is quite low, that it might be a little bit awkward with tights, but yeah, I think it's cute, it's nice and stretchy, so I hope it fits, girl, since bodysuits and stuff online are normally quite awkward for me since I'm 5'8" and generally they're for like shorter women or like women, which is generally a shorter size. So yeah, hopefully it's long enough and it actually fits me. And then the final thing I picked up is one of their lipsticks. I thought I'd start to like dabble in some of their makeup, and I basically just needed to round my basket up to kind of get a discount. So I was like, you know what? I'll just pick up one lipstick. I think this was only £2, so I'm not expecting the greatest like formula or like anything to do with it. However, the packaging is so amazing. You click like the top part and it like pops the like bullet down, and I went for something really bold and green since you know, let's try the formula with a more daring color. So yeah, I just picked up one of their lipsticks to see what it's like, and that is the final thing I purchased from Shein. So yeah, that completes my clothing haul from Shein. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what pieces you liked and what you didn't, or if there's like any other websites or like other styles of clothing you want me to try. And don't forget to subscribe to our bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, 8 PM at Greenwich Mean Time. But expect lots of bonus days starting from December. I have a whole rota and a whole like list of stuff planned, so expect lots of bonus stuff on the way. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.